Does deciding between the past simple and the present perfect cause you problems? Then come to our Zoom workshop this Saturday. Many students have nightmares about it. If you're one of them, then wake up from the nightmare. The workshop is £1.50 or free for patrons of Steve's English Club. If you're not already a patron, then join now. You get loads of resources, including 6 free workshops a month. We'll take a real in-depth look at when to use the past simple and when to use the present perfect. And you'll have the opportunity to ask any questions. So why not join us? Hope to see you there. Bye for now.